Hey guys, back for another video on my channel. It's Josh here, and I'm filming more lightning. I made a previous video before this one, so you want to go check that one out. It's called Arizona Monsoon Lightning. If this one's good enough, I will make it a part 2. If it just fizzles out in the next 2 minutes, I may not even bother. But yeah. I say that as if I'm live. That's what's funny. Obviously, you won't see this if it's otherwise. Yeah. So, be a little bit of silence if it gets decent. We, if you don't know, I explained this in my other video. We had a thunderstorm come through here. It was from the northeast, sort of the east, sort of the eastern part of the state. And this year it hasn't really been too friendly to us. It tends to kind of just jump around us for some reason. So we got some water on the roads. There's puddles and stuff. It rained well, but when you look on the radar, I'm not so sure. Now I live in West Mesa, so honestly, it barely clipped my area. I'm thankful. East Mesa, if you're out in Power Road, Gilbert Road, Sossaman, you probably didn't get anything. I don't know, honestly. Maybe you did. Maybe it was just central Mesa, but I'm on, I won't disclose that actually, but I've been thinking about that lately, guys. But yeah, might even have to clip that out. I've just been worried about someone trying to get track me or something. But I mean, my area, I think, was lucky enough to get clipped by it though, because I'm in a certain part of Mesa. But now, like clockwork, after leaving this area, it's gone down there, and it seems like it got more severe, after it got away from us. That's all right, guys. In these next, 5 days, almost about, I think it's gonna be like next 5 days. I don't expect a storm tomorrow. I don't. Though it's not outruled completely, but I don't expect one. If we do get one, I'll film it, but I feel more confident about saying that we'll get one in the next 5 days, because there's a tropical storm coming down from near, the Baja, and I should say coming up. It's coming up. It's not really coming up here, really. It's not gonna be a direct stream necessarily. It's gonna stream some moisture up, but it you know how it goes. So we'll see. Hopefully we get a decent little batch on one day, and maybe it'll be at nighttime so I can show you the lightning, because this is some cool stuff. As you can see, that was a really decent flash right there. Yeah, so just sit back though. I forgot to sit back and watch the lightning. Hopefully it'll go on for a little bit. My last video I was able to get a good 14 minutes in. It's getting a little light though. It's getting a little lighter. So that's to be expected though. There we go. It's a little more over there, but you can see the shadow of the trees in the way. Huh. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna go a whole 14 minutes. That was nice. Like my last video. Just purely because I don't think, because my last video it was some decent flashing. I won't lie. But this video definitely has a lot of space in it, so I think I will end it somewhere around the 10-minute mark just to give it a little grace period. Obviously, it's only getting weaker and weaker out here. That was decent. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm definitely eyeing the 10-minute mark. Oh man. But, mark my word, I will be back. Oh man. I will be back, unless, I'm not going to say that, but just know that another storm, I will be back. Because hey, I've been kind of slacking on you guys, but I will be honest, the monsoon has been kind of slacking on me and on Arizona as a whole. You know, I'd say the storm we got tonight was the second best since some time. And I will see you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.